Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am SHAIKH. Just asking a question: have you been able so far to write your own why statement? We talk about why statement where you really need to find, define, and describe your personal why in life. If you don't have so far thought about your why statement, just see how it is important. I recommend you to watch this video till its end along with the messages in our early videos on the why power. Knowing your purpose in life helps you to live your life with honesty, means the honesty with your own self. People who do know their purpose in life, in fact, they know who they are, what they are, and why they are. And believe you me, when you know yourself like this, it becomes easier for you to live a life in accordance with what is called your core values and as per your own choices. And you see in return who is going to be happy truly. You and yourself. How can I find my why in life? And how can I make my why statement? Simple question and the simple answer. We know that every single person has a deep motivation that fuel up his life. If you keep questioning yourself, why do you do the things you do, you will ultimately find your own personal why. Be careful copying and pasting the why of somebody that you like. Maybe he or she is your role model, may probably leave you unhappy. Yes, the why differs from person to person, as everyone has got its own set of circumstances with different level of motivation, and happiness meanings are different from person to person. It is important to know your why, as a sense of purpose not only help you to find and do things that add meaning to your life, it also helps when things go wrong. A healthy sense of purpose helps you to put those events in perspective, to refocus on the things that are meaningful to you, and to move ahead and enjoy life. So you yourself have to find and define your own personal why. To conclude this message, I will advise you to know your why and write your own why statement, and once you have done it, love it and follow it.